How to make voice call on Signal. Open the Signal private messenger app on your phone. Ready to hear your friend's voice securely? Tap on the contact you want to call. If you haven't chatted with them yet, tap on the pencil icon to start a new chat first. Scroll down and tap the contact you want to chat. In the chat window, tap the phone call at the top right. That's your secure voice call button. Signal will start connecting the call. Once your friend answers, you are live and say hi and enjoy your private conversation. When you are done, tap the red end call button and that's it. Super easy and secure. And there you have it. Making a voice call on Signal is fast, easy, and secure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so your friend can enjoy private calls too. Happy chatting and thank you for watching.